Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how we made our dirt sifter. This is my favorite way to get organic compost from our chicken run. Our chickens are our soil producers. They peck at the soil and scratch around and till all the poo and soil together, so it creates a wonderful compost. So we're going to show you exactly how we made our dirt sifter with just materials lying around our backyard. And Fix-It Fisher will show us exactly why tomatoes need a support system.
Get lonely, depression can set in, so they need that support system.
Hey, you there. You should subscribe to their YouTube channel.
The first thing we did was made sure that the lengths of the boards we were using would fit wider than our wheelbarrow. Gone through. And that's the good stuff. And this stuff needs a little bit longer too.
Yep.
What is the purpose of this tomato plant?
To make tomatoes so that we can eat tomatoes.
I mean the tomato cage.
Oh, the purpose is to go around the tomato plant.
Yes, and what does it do?
It goes around it.
I want to put it over there because we already have two support systems over here.
So it is a support system for the tomato plants.
Okay.
Tomato plants, they need that emotional support. You know, being out here by themselves sometimes can get lonely. Depression can set in, so they need that support system.
So show me how to do it. Please don't,
I'm showing you. I'm Fix-It Fisher.
Okay.
Yes, look at that. The tomato plant is already looking a little bit more confident. It's going to grow this high. Tomatoes overflowing, the size of bowling balls. What you want to do is you want to reach down here and you want the plant to be supported, so you support it with the supportion device. It smells good over here. Do you have some kind of herbs?
I have tomatoes.
That's it though? It smells like you have like basil or something.
Oh, there's some garlic.
Or peppercorn.
I think
or thymy.
It's not thymy.
It's thymy, right?
No.
Thymy?
No.
Thyme?
Thymy.
Time keeps on slipping.
No. Thymy keeps on
into
slipping.
the future.
How come you have a song for everything?
How does that look?
What do you think?
I think...
So what did you do?
I'm going to let you tell me what you think I did.
Okay, so now what I need you to do is to pluck the suckers. They look like little armpit hairs.
Isn't that what I did with Vanna?
No.
Pluck the suckers?
They look like armpit hairs. Do you see anything that looks like armpit hairs?
Like that right there?
In between, it looks like it would be an armpit. The main stem.
Right there?
Let's see. Yep, you found a sucker. Where is it? There it is. You pluck them. Now what that does, you're supposed to get more tomatoes when you do that.
By plucking those little things?
Yeah.
Well, this over here looks like it would probably be a Cherokee purple tomato. And my guess is that it would, in 72 to 90 days, it should mature into fruit size of 10 to 12 ounces or 28 to 34 grams. But I'm just eyeballing.
How big is that?
10 to 12 ounces is,
Like a tomato?
yeah, probably roundish with a 10 to 12 ounce weight to it.
Yeah. That was fun.
Would you like to sleep with Vanna tonight? You want to sleep in the hay? Unlimited milk.